Baby, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yan guys, so we've already unboxed the Sephora one, and this is liquid gold like with glycolic acid. Meron silang pa-freebie like yes tayo, yan, and then I also got this. It's like a face mask. It's like $9, which is not bad. And then I have this one, the milk. Akala ko malaki siya, but it's actually really small. This one is work. Ito yung very trending na milk makeup. Yeah, and the shade is work. Oh. This bad boy apart. So nice. And then I have a new juice. This one is from Vegas. I'll show you that. Oh, this is the Adidas shoes that I got. White shoes. Super ganda. So the shoes was way too big. So meron din silang pa-free na castor oil for thicker and longer hair. Oh, diba? May mga freebie. Thank you, ate. At saka ito yung anakay na hair mask. And then another anakay yung SPF 1000. Subukan natin. And that's it! That's our haul. Meron pang parating pero mga Kmart ano lang yun, items.
Tadan! Ang ganda-ganda niya. And this one is the film for it. So, let's see. I got this from Ted's camera. That one. Oh, diba? Oh, it's so thoughtful that it come in so that's how it looks like inside. Meron siyang pa-pouch. This is the pouch. It's so cute. That's so thoughtful. And this is the actual film camera. It's very light. Got the literature. And this is the camera. How pretty!
Singing, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds featured my doorstep, of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be
Leave it, Yoshi.
alright. about the thing, nice sunset, guys.
Baby, don't worry about the thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry.
Getting COVID tested. Also, look at the sunset over there.
'Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
We're getting our second dose of Pfizer.
Homemade pizza. Yum. The toppings are usually mushrooms, anchovies, cheese, and basil, and some olives this time. Yummy.
Hello people! Good morning! Friday na. So, this is the day 5 na naka-leave tayo and ayan, hello sa inyo. September is coming to an end, diba? I think today's the 24th of September. So guys, wala namang ganap today. We're just going to stay home. Baka ilalakad ko yung mga aso mamaya.